Hey everyone, welcome back. It's AJ with Everyday Patio, and here's a quick 5-minute video on how to do a freestanding Elitewood gray patio cover with a white roof and basically gray wrap trim kit. So this is going to be a simple patio cover with no electrical. It's going to be me, Aiden, Leticia, and Mitch building it, and right now you see us marking out all the chalk lines for where the posts are going to go. So you can kind of see it's on level concrete. There's a kind of 2-stage right there, which is actually better for the redheads that we're putting in. You're supposed to have at least 6 inches of concrete to mount steel base plates to like that. And that lets you do a freestanding patio cover without embedding footings into the ground. So here we're leveling off the patio cover for drainage. We're going to be sending all the water to that corner where Mitch is at right now, the right side. And then we're having Leticia mark the middle right now to help ensure that slope is going towards that direction. Here we're grinding off the post so the sizes that we just established were right. And this is the side plates going on. So the side plates again help with lateral forces, help the patio from raking. So the great thing about this patio cover, again, is that it's simple with no electrical, and the insulated roof kind of gives it more of a living room vibe. So it's basically an extra living space in the house now, besides the sunroom addition you can see they already have. There's the first insulated panel going up. Elitewood also has a really deep grain inside the wood texture, so it looks nice when you put it up. And we put the planking feature on this patio cover also. And here's the panels going up from a different point of view. So here we're finishing up the panels, caulking them before we put them together, and then now we're doing the hanging channel and gutter. So the hanging channel and gutter always go before you put on the side fascia. And that's the extruded side fascia right there that we're gonna match with the roll form side fascia. Here we're doing the proper notches so it'll go on when we put it up. And that's us clicking them together before putting on the caulking to weatherproof it. So here's what the patio cover looks mostly done. The gray really contrasts well with the white. I like the look of it. I always like this color combination. I think it's funny how closely it matches the house. And that's the front fascia going on. And then here we're putting on the back fascia. This is what the roof looks like when we're walking on top. You can really see the planking feature there, and all that caulking you see that came up from when we were putting the panels together. We're gonna take that off and then put a fresh layer of caulking over it so it's got basically 2 layers of sealant, and then seal every other seam on the patio cover. So you can see this patio added a nice outdoor space for these people. I'm really glad with how it turned out, and I just want to thank everybody who's been liking, commenting, subscribing. It really means a lot. It's been helping this channel grow. And again, if you're looking to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and if you're looking to get a patio cover, please give us a call. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day. Everyday Patio out.